When was the last time you were able to disconnect? Hit the reset button. For me, I couldn't remember it. So my wife and I took a 3-day trip to Redwoods. No Wi-Fi, no service. And the most fascinating thing happened. I slept better. I started to notice the things around me, how beautiful they are. I remembered how lucky I am just to be alive. I forgot how beautiful things are in the real life. I was so concerned about my screen life, and sadly I feel like a lot of my peers and friends are too. We care more about what happens on our phone than what happens in the world. But if I was to see into the future, I think probably 99% of the things that happen on our phone don't matter, won't matter. But the memories and experiences we create off of our screens with the people we love, those will be the memories that will last forever. Those will be the good times, the best times. This God-given earth that we live on is amazing. I was reminded today that it's our duty to explore it, to travel, to adventure, to put our phones down and get out. I feel refreshed, rejuvenated. I have clarity. And today I invite you to do the same. Take a break.